जिंदगी की पहली स्नोफॉल। Hi, good morning from Lachain. It is a day 3 and we are going to witness snow today. And I'm wearing like 5 layers of clothes and still I am so cold. It is 2 degrees right now and I am all ready and it is 5:30 a.m. in the morning. We woke up at 4:30 a.m. and we slept at around 11 because we were just so tired. And we can literally see the snow mountains. I'll just show you. और उसके ऊपर sun पड़ रहा है. It looks so pretty right now, so pretty. That is the snow mountain and this is the room view. We were excited. Okay, I'll see you there. Bye. -7 या -6 temperature and it's so cold and everything is very white. It's covered with snow. मेरे से तो हाथ में फोन भी नहीं पकड़ा जा रहा क्योंकि इतना ठंडा है. ठीक है. Okay, let's say bye. Bye. From this place. Yeah.
भाई लास्ट गाड़ी है हमारी, कोई नहीं है यहाँ आसपास.
We also visited the world's highest cafe, which is built on the altitude of 15,400 feet, which is crazy. And this is run by army officials and they only serve momos, tea, coffee and warm water. So this is a Gurdwara at Guru Dongmar Lake. So you have to walk thoda sa from the parking and you see this Gurdwara. But I didn't go there because मेरी बहुत तबीयत खराब हो गई थी. My friends did and this was the view. Hi, we are at Guru Dongmar Lake and the weather here is crazy. मतलब इतनी तेज की हवा चल रही है कि हम लोग पूरा हिल रहे हैं. बहुत तेज. मेरे हाथ ऐसे swell हो चुके हैं. It's super chilly, super windy. He's meeting his friends. उड़ान लच्छे. We are उड़ा लच्छे, which means हम लोग उड़ने लगे हैं. अच्छा, तो भैया told us कि if we smell camphor, kapoor, तो we'll feel better. And here is our drug. And honestly, it feels better. हम हैं. ये हमारी कार है और ये हमारे नशे हो रही है. नशे हो रहे हैं. नशे वाली पारी हो रही है. हवा वाली पारी हो रही है. बहुत ठंड है.
ये जगह है आराम से चिल्स करने के लिए.
On our way from Guru Dongmar Lake to our hotel, we saw this place with all these flags and we just got attracted and we stopped the car to click some pictures and honestly this place was so pretty. This also had a river and the view was breathtaking. We finally checked into our hotel. So I'm sitting in the room and the hotel is fine, but I couldn't record because it was raining heavily outside and I got really sick after the Guru Dongmar Lake because the altitude was very high and the wind was very chilly और मेरा सर अभी तक फट रहा है. Yeah, that's it for the update. We're just going for dinner now and I'll catch you up tomorrow. Bye. Hi, good morning. It is day 4 and I feel much better now. I even washed my hair today and I feel great. We woke up, we got ready, and now we're going to Zero Point. We'll also see snow there. We're getting super late, so I'll just take a leave, and just before that I'll show you the room and the room view because that's crazy. So that is the room entry, this is the washroom, and this is the messy room that we've done. And that is the room view. You can see the barf wale pahad there. Chaliye. And this is our hotel. This is a cottage or a resort. These are our cottages, 1 and that is 2. And yeah, that's it. Also, this is the first hotel where हमने check out नहीं किया and इधर से हम सीधा घूमने जा रहे हैं. Otherwise हम लोग हर होटल से check out कर रहे हैं. And the sun is so good. Like I feel good in the sun finally. हमें sun मिला है after what 3 days. हमें sun ही नहीं मिल रहा है इतने दिन से. Trusha Chopra, say hi. Hi. भैया say hi.
हेलो
अपना मास्क उतारो. अपना नाम बताओ. दिलीप. ये हमारे ड्राइवर भी आए और ये बहुत तेज गाड़ी चलाते हैं. We stopped here to take some pictures and look at the trees. The trees have snow. पूरा भरा पड़ा snow से, and there's that mountain, and look at that. Looks pretty. Hi, we are at Yumthang Valley right now. We reached Yumthang Valley. It took us around 1 hour to reach here, and now we stopped here for breakfast. This is the place where we stopped. Then also, we spotted a snowman here. I'll show you. So this is the snowman that we saw here.
ये क्या है?
So what you saw right now was Yumthang Valley, but we didn't like it because the barf melt हो गया because of the sun. So we are going to Zero Point now. वहाँ पे probably we'll get a lot of snow and we'll have to wear snow boots as well. So stay tuned for that. And हम लोग ऐसी जगह पे आ गए जहाँ पे आसपास जाने के लिए कोई है ही नहीं, आगे जाने के लिए कुछ भी. So this is Zero Point in Sikkim.
पहाड़ी के उस पार साइड है.
अच्छा, इस पहाड़ी के उस पार चाइना है और इस पहाड़ी के उस पार बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको छोड़ के हम लोग यहाँ पे आ गए. एंड देयर इज nobody except the four of us. Like nobody, just us.
वापस आने का रास्ता कहाँ है?
David, I can't fly high, high.
Oh.
ये सारी पूरा इसके पैरों से निकली. हाँ
हाँ, ये सारी इसके पैरों से निकली.
हाँ, ये बहुत ठंडा है.
अच्छा.
सुपर कोई. और ये हमने स्नो बूट किए थे. मेरे को पिंक चाहिए थे लेकिन मेरे साइज के नहीं थे, इसलिए मुझे ब्लू लेने पड़े. नाउ आई विल वेयर देम अगेन. नीज तक
ज़्यादा गहरी हो गई.
नीज तक.
तो तस गया.
ओ भाई, ये क्रेजी था.
वही इतना पुशअप्स कितने करते हैं?
हाँ, गुड कंटेंट.
अबे इतना पुशअप्स कितने?
Now we've reached Lachung and this is the summit where we'll have our lunch. And our lunch is served. These are chapatis, dal makhani, chicken curry, and that too with a view of river and pahad. So we are done with our lunch and now we are here at the Lachung Monastery. So there are two places in Sikkim. एक Lacheng है और एक Lachung है. I always get confused. तो अभी हम हैं Lachung में. That is the monastery की building and this is also a building. And ये है विश मांगने की कुछ rolling pony.
ये क्या बनाया है ना? हाँ ये क्या?
आओ ऊपर चले।
I'm funny and I know it. And we finally reached our cottages. We are staying at the Kirong cottage. Hi, good morning. It is day 5 of our trip and Mumbai. Sikkim. Okay, it is day 5 of our trip and we can again see the sun today. बहुत अच्छी लग रही है धूप आज भी. And now we are going to Gangtok because we have a flight tomorrow. It is 8:30 right now. If you can see, it is 8:30 right now. And we are going to Gangtok and I don't know if you can see it, but I just spotted a baraf wala pahad piche. And yeah, that's it. We're going. Bye. Hi again. We are at Hotel Neelam. So this is a chota sa dhaba again in Chungthang. We are in Chungthang right now. It is 9:52 AM right now. और guess what we are having? Wild guess. यहाँ पे और कुछ मिलता ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ मोमोज, वाई मैगी. That's it. तो अभी we have to have वाई. Hi, we are in Gangtok now. We just reached Gangtok. It's 2 PM and now we are checking in our hotel. We are staying in 100 Petals. Let me show you the room view now. Yeah. Hi, so we are at the coffee shop and I am completely so excited for all of the food that we ordered. So we've ordered white sauce spaghetti, we ordered fish fingers, strawberry shake, bruschetta, and this is chicken supreme tossed in white wine, and this is our dinner. I'll post everything on my Instagram. My handle is Tasty Table Tales, so do not forget to subscribe me, follow me there. Okay, let me have my food now. Bye.
When I break, you just bang. Wow. You just go back. And nothing fucking happened.
It's time to say goodbye to this lovely property with a lovely room view. And sorry for all the mess, but that's how we did. And I'm all ready. The weather here is fine, like it's 16-17 degrees Celsius. I'll meet you in a while. Bye. We reached Delhi and we are at the Delhi airport and we had an amazing flight because we slept. And it's super hot in Delhi. And watched some movies. So we are ending the vlog here. If you liked the video, do not forget to
Like,
share.
and subscribe my channel.
keep watching the videos.
Bye.
मेरे को भी सब्सक्राइब करो.
अच्छा ठीक है करो.
हाँ करो.
आपका चैनल बता दो.
Sardar Bhatti ji.
ओके सरदार भट्टी जी. ओके बाय.